Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. This poem is included in the CBSE curriculum of Class 10 board exams. All the students throughout the world would be benefiting from this video in their coming 2019-20 exam and further on. This video is a virtual classroom and educational video. Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. The way a crow shook down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree, has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. Now the explanation of this poem given by author, educationist Abir Bhattacharya. The main idea of the poem. Robert Frost's poem Dust of Snow is a simple and small poem with a deep philosophical meaning. It explains the importance of small things in changing one's attitude. The poem explains that the small things in life can bring about immense changes in our future. It also reflects that difficult times in one's life will lead us to the happier period if we can endure with the situation. Now, some of the meanings used up in this poem. Dust of snow means particles of snow. Hemlock tree is a poisonous tree with small white flower. Mood here means a state of mind. Rude here means held in regret. What are the poetic devices used in this poem? Let us know. Here rhyme scheme AB is used. Symbolisms, example, hemlock tree and crow. Here irony is used. What is an irony? Irony is the contrast between what appears to be true and the real truth. There is a bit of irony here in this poem that the poet refers to the poisonous hemlock and medicinal rue plant. Rue is a plant that is cultivated for its medicinal use. Now let us have the explanation of stanza 1 and stanza 2. Stanza 1, the poet says, in the first stanza, the poet Robert Frost recounts of a small incident that changes his mood. Though it appears very simple, but in actuality, it has a great significance. Once, the poet was depressed and helpless and hopeless, being in a state of sorrow and deeply lost in his thoughts. While standing under the hemlock tree, suddenly a crow, which was sitting in the tree, shook the tree, and the fine particles of snow from the tree fell on the poet. Second stanza, the poet's mood changed with the soft and cold snow fall on him. His mood changed from the state of sadness to happiness. He started feeling peaceful and refreshed. This simple incident aided him to enjoy the remaining part of the day. Thus, he became overjoyed as if he salvaged his remaining daytime from being wasted and held in regret. Now, what is the message of this poem? Through this poem, the poet conveys a strong message that everything around us is beautiful. The poem Dust of Snow by Robert Frost.